You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these French words. If you're learning French and you want to learn more, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel right now. And I've got more videos for you. How do you say today in French? Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. I know it's a bit of a very curious word, even for French people. The spelling is odd, but that's how it's written. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. From French, aujourd'hui. French pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.